Hey everyone, my name is Zosia. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a halftone effect to your type like this. It's a pretty simple and easy technique, so let's jump into Photoshop. Here are the dimensions of my Photoshop file. I'm going to start with just a plain black background and white text. First, I'm going to show you how to do a simple version of this, so that's going to create an even halftone effect around all of the type. First, I'm going to turn my text layer into a smart object by right-clicking and convert to smart object. I'm going to go up to filter, blur, and Gaussian blur. And the more blur that you add, the more of the halftone effect you'll see. So I'm just going to start with kind of a medium blur like that, so you can still read the text. For the halftone effect to be visible, you have to combine the text and background layer. So I'm going to grab these two layers, right click and convert to smart object, and that will merge them. And then go up to filter, pixelate, and color halftone. Now I'm just going to start with the default settings and show you what that looks like. So you already get this nice halftone effect. And then because it's a smart object, we can click back into the effect right here and make changes. If you want a black and white effect, then all the channel numbers need to be the same. So I'll show you if these were all set to 45, then it turns all black and white. And you can change the radius to make the dots bigger or smaller. So there's 4, and let's try 15. And then we'll change these to different numbers so that you get the colors again. Now I'll show you how you can make this a little bit more customized. So let's go back to this. And I'm going to start again with just adding a little bit of Gaussian blur, but not quite as much this time. There are a number of different ways that you can create an uneven blur, but one of my favorite ways is using the smudge tool. So I'm going to go over here and select the smudge tool, and I'll click on the text and yes, rasterize. You really just want to grab the very edge so that you create a really drastic fade. Okay, and then I will once again combine the text layer with the black background layer. I will convert to smart object, and then filter, pixelate, color halftone. And I'll start at 8, okay. And there now you can see a lot of this halftone effect in these faded areas. Now you can easily invert the colors by hitting Command I. Now let's say you want to have a different background besides just black or white. I'll show you, I have this image underneath. So you're going to change the blend modes of the type layer. Multiply will erase the white. Screen will erase the black. And then you can play around with some of the other blend options. I like to use exclusion, gives this nice effect. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like and subscribe to my channel. If there are other techniques you'd like to learn, leave me a comment below as well, and I'll see you in the next video.